Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel and this is your March 2nd week's exclusive love reading starting from March 10th till the 16th. So if you are in a relationship, situationship or marriage, this reading is for you. If your sun, moon or rising, any sign is Taurus, right? So let's begin. If you're looking for a career, money, investment related reading, that's already uploaded by the name of March monthly reading. So it will have everything including love. Now this is only for love people, only for relationship or marriage or situationship people or single people who are looking for a love reading. So let's begin. You've got the Nine of Stars and the Death card, and you've got the Seven of Stars and the Lady card. Now first of all, Taurus, I do see that you're very hurt, and this goes for all those people who are in a no contact situation or in a breakup separation situation. I do see that you're very stuck on someone, you're very hurt also. I also see that there have been a lot of blockages in your love, a lot of problems in your love, because of which you have been maybe single for a very long time as well. Now, because of the hurt, something has made you into a very negative person, constantly negative thinking and thinking that I'm always gonna be single, I'm never gonna get married, and blah blah blah. Now, that's not gonna happen. I do see a major change coming for you guys, a major transformation coming for you guys. So in the second week of March, I do see you getting out of your negative thinking, of your hurt and stuck energy into a more transformed and better version of you. You will start thinking positive, you will start feeling positive about your love life. Also, those who are waiting for a reconciliation, that's not gonna happen. The death card clearly talks about the death of a relationship, right? Something has died, you have cried enough. There's no point looking backwards and waiting for it. You have to move on. You have to transform your life. Better things are waiting for you. So I do see this mindset will be changing. You will be starting to move into a new direction. Second week is going to be very important for you. Sorry about that. I also see a new, like I said, proposal, a new relationship coming towards you only if you give a chance to it, right? Gemini, Aquarius, and Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising could be important for you. Either the person or you might have them in your birth chart, Sun, Moon, or Rising. Gemini, Aquarius, or Capricorn. Not necessary, but these three signs are popping up. So I told you I do see that someone sees you as a very nurturing, caring, and loving person, and they want to come to you. They want to give you that proposal, right? So give life a chance. Change your mindset, change your thinking, change your perspective towards the world, and better things will start coming to you. So the moment you change your internal negative thinking into a positive thinking, if you're ready to say yes to life again, to relationships again, I do see better relationship coming towards you, a good proposal coming to you, whether for relationship or marriage, right? So it is going to be a beautiful week for you, no matter what situation you are in, whether you're in no contact or you're single. Your life will start moving forward. I do see new beginnings in your life. Okay, so if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you would like to claim the positive energies of this reading, please comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy, so that this positive energy reaches you faster. And if you still have any question on your mind, you still want to book any reading or ritual, whether regarding your love, career, exam, money, business, anything, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram as well, the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram as well, as I post all the updates, all the new launches regarding my both channels on that page. Alright? So take care of yourself, and yes, before going, my charges are very cheap, very minimal. You can check the description box. My minimum charge is 170 rupees and my maximum charge is 1000 something. So it's not gonna make a hole in your pocket. Very cheap, very budgeted. Go and ask as many questions as you want and get clarity in your life. So take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.